child, this hair got me looking like a chocolate Fran dresser. I ain't no nanny though. We'll get into this hair in just a moment, okay? Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and it's wash day for me, but you know what? I don't feel like washing my hair. So I decided to take out this hair I've been holding on to from OUTRE. It's a Converti-Cap Curly KO in the color DR Ginger Toffee. This color looks so beautiful through the packaging. So, you know what? I got some pictures to take and I might do a little bit more recording. So, how about we just do my hair and make it look like I just got done with the wash day. So as I take it out, y'all, this color, look at the color. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. If you think this is beautiful, go ahead and make sure you drop me a like and go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell right now because, you know, I might have more videos like this. I decided to purchase this mainly for the color and the fact that it's curls, and I love curly hair. I want some with some length, so hey, I went for it. Now this looks like this has a big comb in the front, one in the back, two on the sides. I am not using any of the combs, and there is a drawstring. Now the cap, OUTRE claims it is breathable, so we'll find out. And I'm looking at these curls, the highlights, the lowlights, and I love the fact that the roots are 1B. So here goes the card, all the options. They give you some ideas on how to style it and the other color variations. This is beautiful, but not this. So that's okay, that's okay. We're gonna take care of it. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot right now. My hair is extra dry. You know, I'm one of those who don't really moisturize their hair all during the week like I should. So yeah, it looks dry, but that's okay. Take my little rubber band and, you know, I just put it in one time, nothing too tight or anything. Now, as you can see, this hair has a drawstring. That drawstring allows you to style it any kind of way you want to. So if you want to wear this as a full wig, a half wig, a ponytail, you can do whatever you want to because you have the combs and the drawstring to help you in securing down whatever style you choose to do with this hair. So let me go ahead and get this on my head. I did not do a thing with this drawstring. It fits on my head comfortably. I do have a small head in case you were wondering. Now, okay, let me get that out of there. Now, the front, I can see how it lays flat. I'll go ahead and try to do a close-up here so you can see what I mean here, but yes. If I were to maybe tease the front of the hair a little bit, it may look a little bit more natural and I could just wear it like this or push it back a little bit on my hair. But that's how it falls on me. It falls about to my armpit, a little bit underneath it, and I'm 5'1", so I would say if you want a little bit of length, this is good for you. It's long without being overly too long. And I chose to just grab a headband so I could show you what this looks like as a headband wig. So yeah, just like headband wigs made with a headband attached or a half wig, you can go ahead and use this Converti-Cap wig the same way and still achieve the same goal, a headband wig. So there you go. That's the back, the side. This is nice and fluffy and full, but not heavy. I was actually surprised, y'all. I did not want this to be too heavy and give me a headache. I don't go for that. It's not tight. I actually don't even feel like it's on my head. If it wasn't going past my shoulders, I would not feel anything. So this is very comfortable. Now, right here, you can see I decided to take that same headband and give myself a little bun. It's sitting kind of high up, and I actually could have made it a little bit flatter, but I did not. I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, work with this. I'm winging it right in front of this camera and go ahead and just smooth my hair down just a little bit. Yes, including those barely there edges. I'm going to do whatever I feel like doing to achieve this look. And, you know, I still have a few edges there, you know, along with those grays coming in. So I'm going to slick that down and tie it down real quick and get it dry and a little bit of a smoother surface before we move on to the next style. Okay, so My hair is dry, and I thought about doing a bun, basically just attaching the drawstring and wrapping the hair around and make a bun. That's an option, but I'm not. Let's go ahead and do a high ponytail since my bun is sitting up high on my head, okay? And I decided to just use one of the combs. I mean, you don't want to, to flip your head and then your hair go flying into the street. So you got to use at least one, at least for this. Okay, so the front comb is in, and I use this drawstring in the back to make sure this is not going to fly anywhere. And it's sitting nice. I love that the roots are 1B. It helps it blend in to my hair. And also when looking down from the top, you see the roots are the right color. And then I decided to take my bracelet that was just sitting here. It's made with elastic. So I decided to take a few bobby pins and stick that through the elastic and into my hair for a quick and easy DIY barrette for the front of my hair. I wanted to jazz it up, and I think this actually did what it needed to do. And so anyway, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, make sure you go ahead and do so. I do a lot of hair type reviews, as well as hair product reviews, tutorials, demos, protective styles, and a wig from time to time. So if you think you enjoy that, make sure you subscribe. I think this is really cute. This is super lightweight. I don't even feel this on my head, and these curls and color are beautiful. So other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later.